when they're happy that they can come in out the rain. Hey, you need to be helping. We need,
bats.
oh, you got bats? All right. How you got bats and there's a lot more bats out there?
That's a portion of bat, I think.
Oh. When they're happy that they get to stop.
Oh!
Who's on the net? Where is Gabby?
Right there.
Now y'all know we didn't run today, so you're gonna make up for it tomorrow. Y'all. We didn't run today, so you'll make up for it tomorrow, so it'll double.
Is that Alyssa? Girl, let me help you.
If y'all would lay it down flat and come out. Way to go, Geniuses.
I thought we were supposed to not put that up anymore.
Who said?
Coach Phillips?
You put it up where the tractor at.
Oh. Brittany! I'll take your back.
No, you got my gloves. The metal's really cold.
How you gonna just run out on Gabby?
Because I don't want to get sick with hypothermia.
Oh my God. You know y'all take that in where you take it where the tractor's at. Great job, ladies.